me again. What's on today's agenda? I did find something cool. I found one of these. Well, everybody on like YouTube seems to have their own little finger thing, and that was the dollar store. It's $1.25. It's pretty cheap. I'd like to lop off the finger and move it over for those special people in your life. Just put a extra bigger, like, it's not really good for. So got a little pointy finger, like, don't touch this. Right over there. It's in my eye right here. Or it's on my nose, it's on my eye, it's on my ears. Anyway, I bought a little thing. It was $1.25. So I thought it would be good for Mickey Mouse arms. Ta-da! Anyway, that's my this is my first thing. Anyway, but that's it. What do I got? Went camping for a weekend. And can't go camping without at least checking out one antique store, garage sales, all that stuff. But we couldn't check out any garage sales because there was none, because it was in the middle of the week. So, but I did find something. I could have found a bunch of other stuff, but, you know, I had to buy the kids stuff. You know, one toy for me, 5 million for the kids. So check this out. It's pretty cool. Check it out. It's an empty bench. Just kidding. Let me put this thing down more. Is that good enough? How far is this out right here? I found one of these things. I don't know who makes it. I don't know what this does, but look, it goes like so. It was pretty cheap. It seems pretty cheap, actually. So I guess that, oh yeah, that's how it works. It seems like it's made of that stuff that dinkies are made of. Some cheap kind of, oh look, even the little hole's blown out here. I guess from somebody putting a screw too far. But it's a working little vise. Got tiny little jaws. Doesn't look like it's ever used. Screws to hold the, see, it's got screws holding the jaws on. Let me turn this light on. Yeah, it wasn't very expensive. It's not very good, and it says 51C, I think. It's pretty cheap, but you know what? I'll add it to my trophy shelf, and I can use this. This is what I'm talking about right here. Cheap, 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 cheap. And these are the jaws right here. That's the handle. This is this thingy under here, right there. It's a little ball thing. That's a little turny doohickey tightening dicky. That's a screw hole, and this is so warped it wobbles. There you go. See, got a use for it. So anyway, that's the first find. Anyway, if you like more stuff like this, I'm always looking for them. Stay tuned and keep watching. Ta-da!